So let's start the showcase video. I'm not gonna to read the content of my game, the story of my game, but I will share my experience of developing this from young spring. First of all, the technical issue. I didn't face any technical problem with this, so I successfully uploaded it to my GitHub and download and installed the Young Spring and Visual Code, so everything is okay. And when I start writing this story, the first step, I use my reference material, which is screenwriting with Lab 1 exercise. So it's a story about Venus, the father and the son. And actually, at the beginning, I don't know what is a nonlinear story. I checked it because the requirement shows that I need to write a nonlinear story in the game development in this lab. And it's very tricky for me because if I want to show all of the nodes, I want to play through all of the nodes in one process of a game, I just use linear story. It's easy. But the requirement shows I need to use a non-linear. So I check what it is. So based my research is like full of flashback and memories. There is no time with the whole story. You just show up some story like a fragment in fragment storytelling. So I use this. I write this story with memory. It starts with a conversation of the son and the father, and then in the middle, the son fall into a memory of the conversation between him and his father, so that I can put the node and create new sequence in the play progress. So actually, there are 5 different nodes that can be played with different order, with one play sequence. So actually, it's I guess it's like 9 times 2. Yes, it's 18 effective sequence, and the 2 is true end and bad end. So 2 end, 18 sequences, and that's okay for me. So I will skip some of the content reading because it's not finished. It's just half of the video record. And actually, you can see that I played with the first end and started again. In between the true end and the bad end, there are several differences. I use the control flow, which is if-else, to determine, based on the player's choice, they will choose the good end and the bad end. The content, the word and sentence in the halfway is different. So this basically is all we have. And I will show at the end of the game. Just wait a minute. I will play to show another end of the story, and then I will show the the graph and the code, especially the graph showed in Visual Code. So it's actually like 2 real branches and 3 alternative nodes that can combine with different orders, so that there are actually 3 times 3 9 branches. and the two end, so it's 18 sequences. It's gonna we will arrive. Just wait a minute. So just read this content of my story, and it's talking about the father. It's true end right now. And talking about my father, the father and the son. They are both Venice merchant. They have the conversation and the lies to each other, a betray, and the real reason and the fake reason, and so on and so on. So the true end is closed. And here it is, the graph. Yes, it shows like you can jump to different node in one game and two branch of end.